Is your Firefox crashing or running painfully slow? Refresh Firefox in under 2 minutes to restore peak performance without losing your bookmarks or passwords. I'll show you exactly how to use the built-in Refresh Firefox feature. First, we'll access the Help menu, then click the Refresh button, and finally understand what gets saved. First, head to the Refresh Firefox, Reset Add-ons and Settings page on Firefox Help. Then, go ahead and click on the Refresh Firefox button to get started. Now, click the Menu button and select Help from the dropdown. Once you're there, click on What does the Refresh feature do to learn more. You'll see that Firefox stores all your settings and personal information in a profile folder, and the Refresh creates a new one while saving your important data. It also removes add-ons stored inside the profile folder, like extensions and themes, but leaves others untouched. If Firefox isn't working correctly, the Refresh Firefox feature can help restore it to default while keeping essential data like bookmarks and passwords. Now, click on Download Actions to proceed. Finally, note that the Refresh will place your old Firefox profile on your desktop in a folder named Old Firefox Data, just in case you need to restore anything later. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.